Okay, guys. So, for our next conversion, we will have this mass-to-mass conversions. And as compared to the last one, mole-to-mass and mass-to-mole conversion, this is quite hard. Kasi instead of using 2, we will be using 3 factors here. So, medyo mahaba yung ating computation. So, but let's try our best. So, first thing to do is we need to understand the question or the problem. So, the problem is this one. How many grams of carbon dioxide are produced from the combustion of 100 grams of butane? That's our problem. And this is our balanced chemical equation. So, based on this balanced chemical equation, we will be solving this problem. So, first one, we are looking for the mass of carbon dioxide. So, let us write here, mass or grams of CO2 is equals. Yan, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, for this part, I am going to write the given. Our given here is 100 grams of butane or 100 grams C4H10. So, that's 100 grams of C4H10 times. Okay. So, dito, the first thing to do is we need to solve for the molar mass of C4H10. And the molar mass of C4H10 is, so I will write here the solution, C4H10. So we have 10 hydrogen atoms multiplied by 1.01 gram per mole. So, saan ko po kinuha yung 1.01 gram per mole? Sa periodic table po. So, this is the molar mass of hydrogen. For carbon, we have 4 times 12.01 gram per mole. Okay. So, ang sagot natin dito ay, this one is 10.10 gram per mole. And this one is 48.04 gram per mole. No, we just need to multiply it. So we will arrive at the answer. Dito na pala. So we will arrive at the answer 58.14 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of butane. So we write here. So again, we need to cancel grams of C4H10. So that will be in every 1 mole of C4H10, there are 58.14 grams of C4H10. This one and this one are just the same. In-expand ko lang para makancel natin yung units. So, cancel ito, cancel ito. Now, we have the unit mole of C4H10. Yan. So, next step is we need to multiply it again by the mole ratio. Itong nauna, ito po ay molar mass. Molar mass of given. Yan. Molar mass of given po ito. Next is the mole ratio. Mole ratio ng ano? Ng butane at carbon dioxide. So, we need to cancel mole of C4H10. So, ang gagawin natin sa ilalim C4H10. So, that will be itong isang ito. So, that is 2 moles of C4H10. 2 moles of C4H10. Sa taas naman po si carbon dioxide, which is ito yung ating hinahanap. Asan si carbon? Ito. Carbon dioxide, that's 8 moles of CO2. So, cancel this one and cancel this one. Now, we have moles of carbon dioxide. Again, this is our mole ratio based on the balanced chemical equation. No. 8 moles of carbon dioxide over 2 moles of C4H10. Okay, so next thing to do is we are going to multiply it again by the molar mass of our of the component that we are looking for, which is carbon dioxide. So, kasi we need to cancel mole of CO2 para mapalabas si grams of CO2. So, yun yung goal natin. So, kailangan natin si molar mass. So, CO2. So, this is 2 times 16. And this is 1 times 12.01. So, this is 32.00 and 12.01. So, the answer is 44.01 gram per mole. So, kailangan nating makancel yung mole. So, ibig sabihin sa taas ang grams. So, that is 44.01 grams of CO2 over 1 mole of CO2. Saan ko kinuha ito? Ito rin po yun. Ano? Yan. Si molar mass ng carbon dioxide. In-expand ko lang. Ginawa ko lang ganun. But, technically, these are just the same. Okay. So, we can now cancel the unit mole of CO2. Mole of CO2. Cancel po yung dalawang yan. And now, we can proceed to we can now solve for the answer. No. So, we simply use the calculator. Diretsuhin na natin yung ating solution. So, that's 100 grams. 100.00 times. That's 1 over 58.14. 1 over 58.14 times again. So, this is our mole ratio. So, that's 8 over 2. Multiply it again by this one. So, that's 44.01 over 1. So, what is our answer? Our answer is 302.79 grams of carbon dioxide. Yeah, so that is our answer. I just reduced it into 2 decimal places. I rounded it off into 2 decimal places. So that is our answer. 302.79 grams of carbon dioxide. So that is our first problem. Again, this is a mass to mass conversion. So kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, medyo mahaba yung ating solution kasi nga tatlo yung ginamit natin. First one is the molar mass of the given. Next one is the mole ratio of the given and what is being asked. And the last one is the molar mass. Molar mass naman ito ng ating sagot. Molar mass of the answer. So, yan po yung mga ginamit natin. So, this is our solution. So, aralin nyo po yan. Another example here. We have, let us read, how many grams of water, so we're looking for the mass of water, are produced when 5.38 grams of oxygen is created, or is reacted, rather. Gaano daw kabigat na water ang mabubuo kapag gumamit tayo ng 5.38 grams of oxygen or oxygen gas. So, let us try to solve. Again, we are looking for the mass of water. The mass of water. So, that's grams of H2O is equals to. Ayan, so yun yung hinahanap natin. So, our given is 5.38 grams of oxygen gas. 5.38 grams of oxygen gas. Yan. 5.38 grams of oxygen gas. times, so kailangan nating makancel si grams of oxygen gas. And we convert it first into moles so that we can use the mole ratio and proceed to mass of water. So first thing to do is we need to write the molar mass of the given. So the molar mass of the given is 16.00 times 2 kasi diga oxygen gas yan. So that is 2 times 16. So that will be 32 gram per mole. No. So in every 1 mole of oxygen gas, so there is 32.00 grams of oxygen gas. We can now cancel the unit. Cancel and cancel. I hope nakakasunod po kayo. So, again, we multiply it by, saan natin i-multiply? We multiply it by the molar or the mole ratio of the given and what is being asked or yung hinahanap natin. So, we need to cancel mole of oxygen gas. So, meaning to say, kailangan nasa sa ilalim si mole of oxygen gas. So, based from the balanced chemical equation, that is 13 moles of O2. Sa taas, si water, which is 10 moles of water. Okay, so this is our mole ratio. Saan ko kinuha ito? Dito po sa balanced chemical equation. So, 10 moles of water, ito po yun. 13 moles of oxygen gas or O2, ito po yun. Ano po? So, this is our mole ratio. We can now cancel mole O2. Yan. So, ang atin pong natira is mole of water, but we are looking for the mass of water. So, again, we are going to multiply it again by another factor, which is, ang gagamitin naman natin is molar mass ng water. And what is the molar mass of water? Let us try to solve here. So, that's H2O. So, oxygen, we have 1 oxygen times 16, and we have 2 hydrogen times 1.01. So, this will be 2.02. That is 18.02 gram per mole. So, this is our molar mass, the molar mass of water. So, again, kailangan nating makancel si mole. So, ibig sabihin sa ilalim ang mole. So, that is in every 1 mole of water, gaano kabigat? That is 18.02 grams. 18.02 grams of H2O. So, yan po. Ulitin ko po, ito pong isang ito, this one, and this one are just the same. In-expand ko lang po. Ang ibig sabihin po kasi nito, in every 1 mole of oxygen of water, meron tayong 18.02 grams. Again, in every 1 mole of water, meron tayong 18.02 grams. Ganun lang din yon. Ginawa ko lang ganito para makancel natin si unit. Okay. So, now that napalabas na natin yung hinahanap nating unit, gram of H2O, na-cancel na natin yung iba, we can now proceed to our, we can now proceed looking for our answer, for the answer. So, that's 5.38 grams times, so that's 1 over 32, 1 over 32 times 10 over 13, that's 10 over 13 times 18.02 over 1. 18.02 over 1. And what is our answer? Our answer is 2.33 grams of water. 2.33 grams of H2O. So, this is our final answer. Ano po? So, step-by-step procedure lang siya. So, you just need to memorize ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating mga gagamitin. So, in mass-to-mass conversions, gagamit tayo ng molar mass, followed by mole ratio, followed by another molar mass. The first molar mass that we will be using is the molar mass of the given. The next one is the mole ratio of the given and what we are looking for. And the last one is the molar mass of the answer. That is yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga gagamitin nating factors. So, I hope you really understand this lesson. If you have questions, you are free to message me in my Facebook account, or you can just comment in our discussion in Schoology group. So, I hope you learned something from this discussion, and see you on next video. Thank you. Peace.